Good day, everyone. We are the students of University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines here to present on the tribe people of Mindanao. Every day is the right time to honor native culture, strength, and fortitude. Every day is an opportunity to tell the world we are here. We are still here. So our group members are James Anthony Cayanog, John Reggie Cañeso, and me, of course, Cristobal Capistrano III. So for our learning objectives, first is to appreciate the unique cultures of the tribe people in Mindanao. Second is to understand how diversity promotes respect and unity. Third is to recognize the value of the indigenous people, Moro, and Christian contributions. Fourth is to identify key cultural practices and rather traditions of each group. And lastly is to acknowledge the role of cultural diversity in nation building. So the tri people concept or the term tri people refers to the three major cultural groups in Mindanao. The first are the indigenous peoples. So they are the native inhabitants of Mindanao, such as the Manobo, Tiboli, Blaan, Subanen, and more. The second are the Moro. They are the Muslim communities, including the Maranao, Maguindanao, Tausug, Yakan, and others. A third are the Christian settlers. They are the migrants from Luzon and Visayas who settled in Mindanao during the American period and post-World War II era. So these three groups live together in Mindanao with their own beliefs, traditions, and cultures, creating a rich and diverse society. So understanding the tri-people concept helps promote peace, mutual respect, and cultural appreciation in the region and throughout the Philippines. So may I call on the next presenter, please?
Cultural practice and tradition. First, the indigenous peoples. Their practice include farming, hunting, and fishing. They also have a strong oral tradition where elders pass down stories, laws, and rituals. They practice animism, honoring the spirits of nature through rituals. Their art forms are famous, like tinalak, weaving by the Tiboli brassworks and wood carvings. Their attire, colorful woven fabrics, and handmade accessories with traditional tribal patterns. Next, the Moro people. Their lives revolve around Islamic practices, daily prayers, fasting during Ramadan, and celebrating Eid. They have amazing art forms like the, ra- the Darangan epic of the Maranao, Kolinta music, ochre carvings, and iconic Torogan houses. For clothing, they use the malong and wear embroidered tunics often decorated with Islamic patterns. The Moro are also skilled in trade, fishing, and boat making, especially the colorful ventas. Now, the Christian settlers. They brought Catholic rituals like attending Mass, celebrating Holy Week, and Festa honoring saints. Their art is heavily influenced by Spain. You'll see in religious sculptures, churches, and dances during festas. For attire, they wear traditional Barong Tagalog and Maria Clara dresses, sometimes mixed with local Mindanao design. They introduce festival like Sinulog, Pahiyas, and joint celebration like Kadayawan, integrating with Mindanao culture. So for the next presenter, please.
So for the contribution to Mindanao and the Philippines, contribution for of indigenous peoples or IPs. So they're cultural. IPs have preserved ancient languages, rituals, and spiritual beliefs. So their economic is contribution in organic farming, forest preservation, and handicrafts support local tourism. So their social is strong advocacy for indigenous rights, ancestral land, and peace buildings efforts. So next. So for the contribution of Moro, so their cultural is influence Philippine culture through Islamic architecture, arts, and literature. So their economic is active in trading, fishing, and agriculture, establish Islamic banking and economic zones. So their socialist creation of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or BARMM promotes governance and self-determination. So next. So for the contribution of Christian settlers, so their cultural is help people schools, churches, and government institutions blended Visayan, Ilonggo, and Tagalog culture with local traditions. So their economic is develop farmlands, introduced modern agriculture methods, and boost Mindanao's economy. So for social is help form urban centers in Mindanao like Davao, Cagayan de Oro, and General Santos, involved in nation building, education, and religious institutions. So next. So for the conclusion is the tribe people of Mindanao, indigenous peoples, Moro and Christian settlers, each contribute rich traditions, cultural knowledge, and unique strengths to the region. So their diverse practices, economic roles, and social systems have shaped Mindanao into a vibrant and dynamic society. Together, they reflect the beauty of unity and diversity, showing that respect and understanding among cultures are key to building a peaceful and inclusive Philippines. So that's all. Thank you.
So that is all for our presentation. Thank you for listening and have a great day.